Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to resolve Xbox app slow download speed on Windows. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing and leaving a like. So let's dive in. Now, first of all, step 1 is open Task Manager on your computer. Open it and find Xbox. Okay, here it is. Now, just click on this drop down arrow and select Xbox app. Right click with your mouse and click on go to details. Now here you can see Xbox app is already selected. Just right click with your mouse, go over to set priority and select it to high. Click on change priority. Okay, that's it. Now the step 2 is just open settings on your computer, go on apps, click on installed apps and find here Xbox. Click on these three dots, go to advanced options and scroll down a little bit. Here, click on repair. After that, if the app still isn't working, just click on reset. Okay, so that's it. Now the step 3 is go to Windows Update right over here. Also make sure your Windows is up to date. Now click on advanced options. Go over to delivery optimization. Here make sure you check this box, allow downloads from other devices. Okay, now moving on to fourth step. Now open command prompt on your computer. Type on the search bar cmd prompt. Click on run as administrator. Select yes. Now here type ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Now just press enter and after that your problem will be solved. Make sure to restart your computer before opening the app again. So that's it for the video. That's how you can resolve slow download speed on your computer. Thanks for watching.